Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where creativity meets professionalism. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design a stunning roll-up banner that's perfect for promoting businesses, events and campaigns. Whether you are a designer seeking fresh ideas or someone who wants to understand the design process, you are in the right place. I will guide you to step by step through creating a banner that's eye-catching, informative and impactful. By the end of this video, you will have all the tips you need to design a roll-up banner that stands out. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After opening a page in Canva 36 by 72 inch for roll-up banner design, go to the elements section and let's search for a frame. We are going to take a round frame and adjust it all over the upper size of the page, and let's go to the element again and search for a food photo. Let's find a perfect food photo. Let's change the keyword and search for a pasta. Let's change the photo. Let's take this photo and adjust it properly. After adjusting the photo, let's go to the element again and search for a corner shape. Let's take this corner shape and change the color as the content, and then go to the element again and search for a food logo. Not this, let's take another logo. No, this is not. Let's take another logo. Let's take this logo and change the color in white and resize it and adjust it over the corner shape. And then take a text box and type logo here. And let's change the font color in white too. Then go to the element again and search for a curve shape. Let's take the different curve shape and let's see which are gonna looks good here. Let's take this, let's keep this shape and delete the other ones. Take another one, let's see how it is look. Let's keep this design and adjust it properly. Let's go to the element and search for a round shape. Take this round shape and make it 3 copies. Press Alt and make 3 copies and adjust them. And go to the element and search for a foot picture again. Let's find the perfect foot picture and adjust it one by one. After adjusting the all foot picture, give all of them a border and the border color. Make the border color yellow. And let's change the page color in ash black. Let's adjust the picture again, adjust the shape also, and let's adjust the foot picture too. Make the shape little bit bigger and now adjust it properly. And then go to the text box and type special. Rotate it a little bit. And let's change the font. Make the font let's keep this font style and make it a bigger. And then go to the element again, search for a shape box or a shape. Find a different type of shape. Let's find another one. Let's take this shape and adjust it under the special. Let's change the font style of special. I want to keep it simple but looks gorgeous too. Let's make it poppins and bold. Adjust it. Then take another text box or copy a text box and type menu. Adjust the menu over the shape box and change the color of shape box and adjust the menu too. Adjust the type, adjust the both of text box and the shape in the middle section of the page. Let's see how it is look. And now let's find a perfect shape box. Let's take this shape box and let's see how it is look. And then take a text box and paste the bulk text or dummy text and adjust it under the menu and make the text a justification alignment. And now take a text box and type the phone number and increase the font size 150. And let's take another text box and type the web address of a restaurant. Adjust it in the other shape box. Then go to the element and search for a discount tag. Take this discount tag and adjust it over the page. Take this 30% off and adjust it over the page. And now let's find the another corner shape and delete the previous upper shape. Let's change the shape colors, make it same as the content, and let's delete the previous shape color and adjust it properly. The logo and the logo text will be upper side of the shape. Make them in group and adjust the shape properly. Then place the logo over the shape. I think red will be good, but make them little bit darker. Make them little adjustment. Then go to the element and take a corner shape and let's adjust them under the lower shapes. Let's see which shape are going to look good. And let's go to the element and search for a box shape. Let's take this box shape and delete the previous one and adjust it under the mobile number, and delete this shape also and copy this shape and adjust it under the restaurant web address and change the color. And then go to the element and search for a black background. We are going to change the page background. Let's take this background. Let's take another one and replace the background. I think it's look good. Now let's change the color of number and wave and make the box little bit smaller. Adjust all the thing properly. Adjust the type. And go to the element and search for smoke. Let's take this smoke and adjust it behind the text of special menus. And let's take a text box and type order now. Make it bigger and change the color in yellow, and let's see, make the effects in outline, give the color yellow, let's see which effects are look good. Let's see how this look. It's almost done. Needs to some adjustment. Then make the order now outline red and the font color in white. Then go to the special and give them effect to outline and make the outline black, and then go to the menu and make the outline black too. And now let's adjust the all of things. That's it. Here is our roll-up banner design. Hope you like the design. If you need any kind of design like flyer, brochure, logo design or any kind of design need, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.